Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHACCHARJE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the law of reversed effort and why you get the opposite of what you pray for. This topic I've covered in the last video. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic, and the name of this topic is the conflict of desire and imagination must be reconciled. This is 87 number video, friends. Okay, this is 87 number video, and the name of the topic video is the conflict of desire and the imagination must be reconciled. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, to use mental force is to presuppose that there is opposition. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling to use the mental force, it is important that there is a opposition, friends. Okay, when your mind is concentrated on the means to overcome a problem, so whenever our mind is concentrated to a means to overcome a problem, it is no longer concerned with the obstacle. So your author Joseph Murphy is saying it is no longer concerned with the obstacle, and it is written in Matt um, chapter 18 verse 19 says, if you of you shall agree on the earth as touching anything that they ask, and that they shall ask. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling, if two of you shall agree on earth as touching anything that they shall ask, friends. Okay, it shall be done for them of my Father which is the heaven. So, it is going to be done for the heaven, which is my Father, that is heaven, friends. Okay, who are these two? So your author Asimov is asking us who are these two, friends. Okay, it means the harmonious union or agreement between your conscious and the subconscious on any idea. So your author Joseph is telling it means the harmonious union or the agreement between the whatever agreement is done between our subconscious conscious and the subconscious on it is an idea, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic, desire or mental image. So it is a completely kind of desire or it is also a mental image, friends. Okay, there is no longer any quarrel in either part of your mind, your prayer will be answered. So here author Joseph is telling there is no quarrel either in the part of our mind or the prayer will be answered, friends. Okay, the two agreeing may also be represented as you and your desire. So your author Asimov is telling these two agreeing can may also be represented as we and our desire, friends. Okay, your thought and feeling, your idea and emotion, your desire and imagination. So it is about our thought, feeling, our desire, our idea and our imagination, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, you avoid all conflict between your desire and imagination by entering into a drowsy, sleepy state which brings all effort to a minimum. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling we avoid all the conflict between our desire and imagination when we enter a drowsy and a sleepy state and which brings effort to the minimum, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the conscious mind is submerged to a greater extent when in a sleepy state. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the conscious mind is submerged to a greater extent when it is in a sleepy state, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the best time to impregnate your subconscious is prior to sleep. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling prior to sleep is the best time to impregnate our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, the reason for this is that the highest degree of outcropping of the subconscious occurs prior to sleep and just after we awaken. So he also Rasamov is telling the outcropping of our subconscious mind happens prior to our sleep and just when we are awakened, friends. Okay, So this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. In this state, the negative thoughts and imaginary which tend to neutralize your desire and so perfect acceptance by your subconscious mind no longer present themselves. So your author Joseph is telling all the negative thought completely gets vanished, and it doesn't create any disturbance in themselves, friends. Okay, because at that point of time we are neutralized and we don't have any negative thoughts. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. When you imagine the reality of the fulfilled desire and feel the thrill of accomplishment, your subconscious brings about the realization of your desire. So, your author Joseph is telling, when we feel the thrill of our accomplishment of our subconscious mind, bring the realization with our desire, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. A great many people solve all their dilemmas and problem by the play of the control. So, author Joseph is telling all the many people solve their dilemma and great feeling by the play of their control, friends. Okay, directed and disciplined imagination, knowing that whatever they imagine and feel as true will and must come to pass. So, the author Joseph is telling whatever they imagine, feel, and discipline that true is going to pass to the reality, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. The following will clearly illustrate how a young girl overcome the conflict between her desire and her imagination. So, author Joseph is telling the following will clearly illustrate us that how a young girl overcome the conflict between her imagination and the reality, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. She desired a harmonious solution to her legal problem. So, author Joseph is telling that she was having a legal problem and she realized a harmonious solution to her legal problem, friends. Okay. Yet her mental imaginary was constantly on failure. So, author Joseph is telling that yet her mental imaginary was constantly on failure, friends. Okay. Loss, bankruptcy, and poverty. So, she was in a position of loss, bankruptcy, and also poverty, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. It was a completed lawsuit and there was no one postponed. So, the author Joseph is telling that it was a complete lawsuit and there was only one postponed, friends. Okay. After another with no solution in sight. So, after there was another with a no solution in the sight, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. At my suggestion, she got into a sleepy, drowsy state each night prior to sleep. So, author Joseph is telling at his suggestion that girl got to a sleepy, drowsy state prior to each night of her sleep, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. And she began to imagine the happy ending, feeling it to the best of her life. So she was imagining a happy ending, feeling to the best ability or of her life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. She knew that the image in her mind had to agree with her heart's desire. So author Joseph is telling that she was imagining the image in her mind have to agree with the heart desire, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. Prior to sleep, she began to dramatize as vividly as possibly her lawyer having an animated discussion with her regarding the outcome. So, author Joseph is telling that she used to imagine, dramatize that her lawyer is talking about the outcome of the incident, whatever is happened, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. She would ask him question and he would answer her approximately. So the author Joseph is telling that she would ask her question and he would answer the answer approximately, friends. Okay, he would answer her approximately and she would ask her question. He would say to her own and over again. So she would always say to her own and over again, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. There has been a perfect harmonious solution. So the author Joseph is telling that there has been a perfect harmonious solution. The case has been settled out of court. So the author Joseph is telling that the case has been already settled out of the court, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. During the day, when fear thought came into her mind, she would run her mental movies with gesture. So your author Rasamov is telling during the day when fear thought came into her mind, so she would run the movie with gesture, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us in this topic. Voice and sound and equipment. So also the voice, sound, and also the equipment, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us in this topic. She could easily imagine the sound of his voice. So your author Rasamov is saying that she could easily imagine the sound of his voice, smile and mannerism. So she would always imagine her sound of voice, image and the mannerism, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us in this topic. She ran this mental picture so often. So your author Rasamov is telling she always ran this mental image so often. It become a subjective pattern, a regular train track. So this thing become a subjective pattern and also a regular train track, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. At the end of a few weeks, her attorney called her and confirmed objectively. So after a few weeks, her attorney called her and said her objectively what she had been imagining and feeling as true subjective. So the author Joseph is telling her attorney said whatever you were imagining and feeling, it turned to be a true subjective, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. This is really what the Palamist meant when he wrote. So he author Joseph is telling this is the reality what Palamist meant that he wrote, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph is telling to us in this topic. Let the world of my mouth. So your author Joseph is saying these are the lines. Let the words of my mouth. You thought mental image good. So it's telling that your thought, mental image and good, and the meditation of my heart. Also the meditation of my heart. Your feeling nature emotional. So it is being said that your feeling nature and also the emotions be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord. So this will be accepted in her sight, O Lord. The law of subconscious mind. So it is being said about the law of the subconscious mind, my strength and my redeemer. So it is being said the law of the subconscious mind is my strength and also my redeemer. The power and wisdom of your subconscious mind can redeem you from sickness, bondage, and misery. So, the author of Submorph is telling that power of our subconscious mind can redeem us from the bondage, misery, and also sickness, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamorph is telling to us in this topic. So, then Plasm chapter 19, verse 14, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called, friends, the conflict of desire and imagination must be reconciled. This topic I've covered. Okay. And friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called ideas worth recalling. This topic, friends. Okay. So, friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, friends. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Take care. I'll meet you in the next video.